Is it necessary to replace ink cartridges if my Epson printer is not printing with full ink?
Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common question. Is it necessary to replace ink cartridges if my Epson printer is not printing with full ink? If you're facing this issue, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and find out what's going on.
Checking ink levels and printer settings.
The first step in troubleshooting a printing issue is to check the ink levels in your Epson printer. Most printers, including Epson models, have a built-in system that allows you to monitor ink levels. Check your printer's manual or navigate through the printer's settings menu to find this information. If the ink levels are low or empty, it's highly likely that you need to replace the ink cartridges. However, if the ink levels show that you have ink remaining, there could be other factors at play. Ensure that the cartridges are properly installed, and no protective tape or packaging is obstructing the ink flow. Additionally, check the printer settings on your computer. Sometimes, settings like print in grayscale or print quality may be affecting the output. Adjust these settings if needed.
Performing printer maintenance.
If the ink levels are sufficient and the settings are correct, but you're still experiencing printing issues, it's time to consider performing maintenance on your Epson printer. Over time, ink cartridges and printheads can become clogged or dried out, leading to poor print quality or no printing at all. Try running the printer's cleaning cycle or printhead cleaning utility. These functions can help dislodge any clogs and improve ink flow. Refer to your printer's manual or the manufacturer's website for instructions specific to your model. It's worth noting that maintenance functions vary across different Epson printers.
Contacting Epson support.
If you've checked the ink levels, adjusted settings, and performed printer maintenance, yet the issue persists, it might be time to reach out to Epson support. Epson provides customer support services to assist you with troubleshooting printer problems. Visit the official Epson website and look for their support section. They may offer live chat, phone support, or even an online knowledge base where you can find solutions to common issues. Alrighty, folks. We've reached the end of our video, and I hope it has shed some light on whether you need to replace ink cartridges when your Epson printer is not printing with full ink. Remember, checking ink levels, adjusting printer settings, and performing maintenance are the primary steps to troubleshoot this problem. If you've exhausted all these options without success, don't hesitate to contact Epson support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!